really have a good trip. So we will ask our friends what they can say about the boat.
It was the best day of my life.
Oh my goodness, thank you, bro. And how about you?
It was very good day.
But next time you need to prepare your things, bro.
Exactly.
Okay, and this is the guy.
Very good.
How many queens? How many queens?
So many queens, I don't count.
And guys, this is the champion today. The Barracuda Slayer.
Perfect.
Faisal.
I have the best petrol.
Maybe around 40 pieces Barracuda, I think.
Casting.
Have much. Have. Down. Yeah, down.
نزل يا حبيبي نزل. نزل هنا. هذا بيصير.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, bro, don't cast now, huh?
Yeah. Double strike. Aywa. Nice one, boy. No, don't touch. Just let it. Don't touch. Just let it. Relax.
Yeah, I know.
Relax. Now, it's your time now.
يلا فل.
يلا مفروض.
Aywa, big one, this one.
Yeah, good sign. يلا يا مفروض.
يلا
Oh, bro.
لا لا تقرأ.
Oh my God, his line is finished.
ايش اسوي؟
You don't have any line?
تاخذ مني سنارة؟
Sajad, help him.
Someone take.
His line is finished. Kalas. You touch it.
خلاص.
You don't have. Oh my.
ايش كنت المفروض اسوي والله؟ All line finish.
No, because his line maybe only 100 meters. No, his line is only 100 meters. Hey, what's up with you people, and welcome back to Fishing Adventures with Jethro TV. So guys, another day, another fishing for us. Oh my God. I'm still doing my intro, and this guy, other captain already have. So joining with us today, guys, are aspiring anglers from all over the world now. You're from where are you from?
Yes.
I don't know. Because this Muhammad is from Egypt.
Yes, Egypt.
Egypt also, and you? Qatar. These guys are from my second home, Qatar. And also this guy, he's pulled out. I don't know. I will let you use my rod so you can enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, I will let you.
Next stop.
Fish on. Yeah, it's stink. Oh my. Oh shucks. I love the song, guys.
Meron lagi ingin.
It's like music to my ears now.
Meron lagi ingin. Baraki.
Uy!
King. King. You saw?
King. Yeah. Stop it, boy. Hey. Hey,
King.
Relax. Oh shit, every time. Come on, boy. It's a good size king, boy. Woo! Alright. Move now. Okay, this one, first one. Oh, mashallah, Muhammad also. Nice one. Oh, he's jumping Michael Jordan.
Come back side, huh?
Come back side. Sit down. Be safe, guys. Sit down. Put your rod on the holder. Okay, so what's your god name?
Muhammad.
Muhammad also?
Yes.
Oh my god, all Muhammad. He was pulled out, guys, so I will let him borrow a rod. Okay? Good
Thank
luck.
you.
Okay, good luck. Catch more fish, bro. Catch more fish. His size is also significant.
ठीक है दादा ज़ेब्रा और सामने हड़ा इधर
When he's pulling, you don't pull. When he's not pulling, you pull.
Inside. Yeah, inside. Yeah.
Whoa!
You need tools.
बनाना नहीं रहा मतलब के
Aywa! You catch, huh? Aywa!
यार मतलब बनाना नहीं
Next time you need to
अंदर
What? King?
भाई
King? What's for you?
Directly out of the water. Line.
ले लो आप खींचो
Mashallah, Muhammad.
Bro,
No. Hook. Take the plier and remove the hook. I'm telling you, cut the tail, 2 tails. This is your sign. Okay. Now take the plier, make this tight. Always keep it tight. Keep it tight so that the fish will jump. It should not come on you. Okay, the hook. Now take your plier and receive that. Tight. Hold that tight. No. See, Muhammad. Hold it in the center.
You help me on. No, you need to learn.
You need to learn.
You need to learn.
And you need to.
Barakuda? Aywa.
Now you need to.
Grabe. Napagod ako dun. Naka isang king na tayo, dalawang queen. Yan ang pangalawa natin. Ang laki din, Diyos ko. Napagod eh. King bro.
Okay, one minute.
Good size king.
Wait, slowly. Let me check my jig out. Whoa!
Mashallah!
Go bottom, go bottom, go bottom. Too many fish down.
Twice, guys.
Hey.
Topping slowly, slay. Yeah, don't make pressure. Don't make pressure. Don't make pressure. Easy. Sajjad, इसका मार दे मच्छी. सोनी का मच्छी ऊपर है.
Sodong-sodo namin ngayon. Grabe, ang daming activity guys. Kahit sa ano, nakapalibot. Grabe. Daming activity. Saan? So, yun pa lang. Dalawang king, tatlong queen na, isang barakuda. Okay. It's the third one guys.
20 gram है. एक साइड zebra, एक साइड dotted है.
Wait. Yes, wait. Ah bro, can you get inside one? I will be with that. Oh, big sherry and the barracuda slayer today. Wow! Like 20 barracudas already guys. King, yeah. You can catch, come on. You can do it man.
Keep this rod aside, huh?
What's that?
No problem. Take out all and enjoy. You're fishing.
It is full time. How do you play?
Nice one.
Now. Thank you.
No, my friend, it's up, my friend. Ah, no. I'm not the barracuda player, boy.
Now all the guys playing in the shade go in the sun, and now we will come there. Come on.
No.
Your holiday is over.
Okay?
Coffee King.
Catch some barracuda.
I want
Padong-pado naman tayo ngayong araw guys. So only here at MV Real Therapy with our boat captain Hussein from Bangladesh and our co-captain is Karbanao Thomas Kanilakal from India, and Muhammad from Egypt, and Muhammad also?
Yes.
Muhammad from Egypt. Yeah, okay. Here with us also guys, our friend
Captain Sajjad.
Okay.
Khalil,
Bro,
Khalil.
come on, smile. Positive, bro, positive, positive. And this is the King Barracuda Slayer today, guys. Okay. You can catch, inshallah, we still have a lot of time. Don't lose hope, okay? Push and push. Grabe. Non-stop. Non-stop yung action ngayon. King, Queen, Barracuda, Sherry. Oh my. Woo. And this is our guy. Oh, it's the big guy. Oh my. All of us guys have caught a lot of fishes today. Asa dyan? Can you please give me one water please? Thank you.
يا حبيبي الصوت.
Okay. ايوه.
يلا خدها بالزق بتاعه واحد Let's go, maybe tight and drag.
No.
Are you sure?
Let it play first.
شغلني مصور. هاني بالله عليك جيب لي ميه. بالله عليك.
كاتفش بسكوتش؟
يلا والله تكر على رجلنا مش قادر والله. دور صبعك. يلا يا حبيبي. والله لو نكتب ليش شت يا حبيبي شت جدا.
اي اند؟
Big one.
النهاية بس هنا عشان ما تضيع. لا يهدي. اوكي. والله
Kobya.
لايك ماينز؟ لا نوت لايك ماين. اللي سحبت ام الريح. سحبت كل الريح ولا لحقت عليها.
انت كنت بتاع تليفوني ولا مين؟
تليفوني
والله تعال.
Bro, on your phone, bro.
كاتفش خرا محمد علي تنظف؟
بطيء.
الكاتفش؟
بطيء والله الله عين. انظف بيش.
ماي.
مش عليك اصلا والله مش. واي. I said you will make you. You said?
Put water on my box. Whose fish?
What?
Who's a fish that catfish? Put water on my box. All shit.
Your line, bro.
Me?
Your line.
Come on, Jetro.
It's been 5 hours fighting from us.
People will kill you if you say 5 hours.
Yeah.
Can we go home now?
لا يا حبيبي لا.
إيه لو سمحت.
لا لا.
لا يا حبيبي والله خلاص.
لا.
يلا جترو.
We have all the time in the world, man.
Yeah.
This is my moment. And my moment is
You'll
now.
see, it will give you a surprise.
No, my friend.
Now you'll get a surprise. You'll get lady killer. Not lady killer, you'll get a surprise. Sweet. surprise.
No, not this one.
Huh? Not queen? King? Okay. Let's see.
Body hook.
How much you want to
Either
bet?
king or
Kobia? Woo. Let's see.
Okay, now I've recorded enough. When you come up, you will record again.
Bro,
This one
take your
record.
line up because there's fish.
Hey, let me sit here. Fit Khalid. You'll fit there. I won't fit. Ah, ya Allah. What's your name? Muhammad. Everyone's Muhammad. Huh? Khalil, Hani, Muhammad. You also Muhammad. All Muhammad. Muhammad, put water on my box. All the shit.
Okay.
What's on this box? What's on this box? If it's something big, I will take it.
Close.
Good size king.
Where is
Good king. I'm seeing it. Now, deep I can see 10 meters.
I can see it.
10 meters I can see 10 meters.
Oh, I can see it. No, I cannot see it.
I can see.
No.
My eyes are like that.
Your eyes are like this. I can see it.
Oh, Jetro is so tired. Now he's going to get a surprise. Just wait. The queen is coming. No, I'm praying for him that he
gets
get
Kobia.
a 20 kilo king. 20 kilo king, I'll cut in 2 pieces. 10 kilo yours, 10 kilos mine.
if this one is more than 10 kg, I will go
Where?
holiday to.
Holiday.
What?
كل هذا على الفاضي.
Why you tell holiday? خلاص, fish take holiday.
How much you fight? How much you fight?
5 hours?
هاي ضربة تسوي.
Yep, man.
Guys, can we return?
بس يا هاني.
إيه لو سمحت.
والله انت مستحيل مبسوط.
To return.
So sad, guys.
اوف خليك قاعد يصير.
So sad. Fuck, man. Shakes me. More than I think 5 to 10 minutes of fighting. Oh my. Hee. Kailan pa malapit na sa kanan. Ah.
See this devil eye? This is the problem. It was big. For the devil eye,
Oh my.
sit properly. Will go.
Malaki talaga yung alon. So, uwian na tayo, guys. Grabe, panalo tayo ngayong araw. Paldo. Paldo ngayong araw. Daming kagigil. Pero yung sakit sa dibdib ko yung last. Ako yung pinaka-last. Yung humatak sana ng mamaw na. Kung kailan pa na malapit na lang, siguro mga 30 meters na lang siguro. Or 40 meters na line na lang. Saka pa na unhook. Pero okay lang, manalo tayo, guys. Okay? So, thankful naman yung mga pasahero natin na lahat sila enjoy lahat sila. Okay, uwi na. Okay guys, so we're here already at the port and today we really have a good trip. So we will ask our friends what they can say about the boat.
It was the best day of my life.
Oh my goodness, thank you bro. And how about you?
It was very good day.
But next time you need to prepare your things, bro.
Exactly.
Okay, and this is the guy.
Very good.
How many queens? How many queens?
So many queens. I don't count.
And guys, this is the champion today. the Barracuda Slayer.
Perfect.
Faisal.
One of the best trophy.
Maybe around 40 pieces Barracuda, I think. Yeah, this guy.
No problem.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. So,
Let's go pee, bro.
okay, so
يلا يا حبيبي.
Huh?
guys, if you need if you want to book or to ask some inquiries about the MV Real Therapy, this is our captain
Last water.
Hussein.
Thank you.
And this is the co-captain angler Thomas. And also today guys, join with us
With you.
Sajjad also.
Boy.
Okay, so we will check guys our fishes. Okay. Okay. Ay grabe, paldong ngayong araw guys, oh. Dami tangigi. Woo!
I like one on me.
Paldo.
I to shower.
Same size.
I see.
Wow. Good size kings guys, almost the same size.
Yeah.
Almost same size as ano?
This one for very good size.
This one.
This guys, you sit over there.
You all sit, boys. Sit. We'll take a picture of it.
Hanggang dito na lang po yung video tayo para sa araw na to. Grabe, half day lang kami. Pero grabe, tingnan nyo naman. Paldo. Okay, ilang kings? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 kings. Tapos napakaraming mga op. Yeah. Yeah, that's mine. With a mouth. Okay guys, so hanggang dito na po yung video natin para sa araw na to. I hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating isang fishing adventure naman dito sa Qatar. So I hope na magkikita ulit tayo ha sa sunod nating mga video at fishing adventure dito. Okay, so don't forget guys, spread love, always be happy and just enjoy fishing. Bye bye.